Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we've got a brand new product to show you. This is our new roof ventilation collar, otherwise known as the RVC-R. Now on its own it looks a bit bare, but that's because you can fit any and all of our roof vents on top of it when installing into your project. So what's the purpose of the collar? Well, in a lot of projects, day-to-day ventilation of the building is key. And for the ventilation to be effective, the head of stair vent has to be open to allow airflow. Of course, with this, there's a serious risk of rain entering the building in the event of adverse weather conditions, posing a serious health and safety risk for building users. Therefore, this product has been developed in order to battle these poor weather conditions. The design of the collar keeps rain out of the building and directly replaces the need of rain and wind sensors needing to be included in the project, saving time on further wiring as well. What's great about the collar is that the day-to-day building ventilation can continue throughout harsh weather conditions, whereas a sensor would close the vent and put a stop to the ventilation. This can be a real issue in the UK and Ireland, as buildings are sometimes still warm even when it's raining, and the day-to-day system has to be switched off. So to put it simply, the RVC-R provides an all-weather solution whereby the vents can remain open in all weather conditions. You needn't have fears about including this product within your project, as all roof vents can be installed on top of the collar without affecting certification. The louvers within the collar are electrically operated. This allows them to be closed in the event of a fire alarm, which maintains the performance of the attached smoke vent in fire scenarios. And just to make a few final quick-fire points, the upstand can be insulated for strong thermal properties. The dimensions can be custom-made to fit the size you need for your project. The base flange can fit to any side of the upstand. And finally, the product can be powder-coated to any standard rail colour. This will ensure a colour match to the roof vent it's attached to and also fit the building aesthetic as well. I hope this quick overview of our new RVC-R has been helpful, and you share our view that it will make it simple for you and your project. If you have any questions, please do give us a call or live chat us on the Sertus website. We're always happy to help and answer any questions. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.